Okay, well, welcome in the kitchen, everyone. We've got strawberries. I just did a strawberry lemonade concentrate video for you all. It is so delicious. Um, 4 cups of lemon juice, 4 cups of sugar, 6 cups of strawberry puree. That's all it was. I'm putting it in the freezer. I'll bring it out this summer, and it will be delicious. So, because we have strawberries, I tried to make puff pastry one time, y'all. It didn't go too well. Go back and watch that video. It didn't go too well, so I bought some today. So we're going to have dessert tonight. And I've got these puff pastry shells, and I've got some strawberries, and I've got some cream I'm going to whip. Okay? So, here we go. I forgot me a little fork. I've got 6 of these right here. Get me a fork to whip up this egg. I'm going to break them apart. And I'm just going to bake them by the package directions. It says to bake them for 18 to 20 minutes or until golden brown and puffed at 425 degrees. That's just what it says right there. I've got me a little bowl of just some white sugar. Got me 1 egg right there. Put that over there for the compost pile. We'll whip this egg up just like this. And I'm going to put some sugar on the tops of them because I think they just, everything's better with sugar. Anytime you're doing something sweet. All right, so I'm going to do it right like this. Put this egg wash on it. Right like that. It's just an egg. That's all that is. You can add a little bit of water to it if you want to, but that's not necessary. Then right into this sugar, right like that. I'm going to lay it down right there. Into the egg. Into the sugar. There's 2. Into the egg. And into the sugar. Does not say you have to put egg wash on these. It does say to put them in the oven from frozen, not to let them thaw out. So these are still frozen, as you can tell. There we go, just like that. I'm going to pop these in this 425 degree oven for 18 to 20 minutes. Okay, y'all, while our little puff pastry shells bake, we're going to slice up some of these strawberries and put them in a bowl and put some sugar on it so they can make some we'll slice up some of these strawberries and put them in this dish right here. Put some sugar on it so they can get all happy and sweet. And they're already sweet. They're already very sweet. But I want the juice to come out of them for our puff pastries tonight. So we're going to add a little bit of sugar to them. Yes, we are. Here's a little gadget that I got last year. It's a strawberry slicer. Quarter them. Do them like that. Make them 6 pieces, or you can slice it. Put your strawberry in there. So let's give it a try. Let's see if it works. I don't know if it will or not. It came with something else that I ordered. I did not order this. I'll get my compost bucket right there so I can. Let's see, y'all. Let's do them like this. You want to? Put it on there like that. Well, look at that. Isn't that pretty? All perfectly even slices. Isn't that just the coolest thing? We'll have to play with it now, won't we? We'll have to do some of the others. Let's see what this quarter one does. Right here. Just makes a little bigger chunks. Well, you know, we got to try the slice one. We got to let them all play, don't we? Look at that. Look at that. Evenly sliced strawberries. Well, well, well. But for what we're doing tonight, I think I'm going to go with this one. Nose is itching every time I get in the kitchen to doing something. My nose starts itching. Well, isn't that cute? That's something I didn't know I needed, did it? Shh, be quiet, Edie. All right, y'all. I believe that's about enough. I've got some sugar right here. The last little bit of sugar in my canister, and I'm just going to dump it on there, just like that. Dump it all. I've got more I can put in there. All right, and I'm going to shake these about just a little bit, and you know you've got to eat one. That's a requirement. Yum. Okay, y'all, the rest of these I'm going to put on a towel and let them dry very, very well. And then I shall put them in the refrigerator. And I'm not sure what I'll do with them. We may just eat them. Just plain old eat these little berries. Because they are beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful berries. They're huge. They're gorgeous blueberries. Gorgeous blueberries. Gorgeous strawberries. They're all beautiful. I think I had about 2 gallons. I think I had 2 bad berries. So, these are so pretty. And they are delicious. Let me tell you, they are delicious. So we'll be back when we get ready to put all this together. Okay, well, all that other stuff is doing its thing. Our berries and our puff pastries. We're going to whip us up some cream right here. Some whipped cream. And I'm just going to add some in there. Close the lid and turn it on. Got us out some almond extract. My vanilla has gone MIA. I cannot find it anywhere. Y'all know I always keep it right here in this cabinet. But it's not there. I do not know where the vanilla is, so we're going to put a little drop of almond in this just to make it a little more flavorful. Add another layer in there. And you know when we add our powdered sugar, we have to add a little pinch of salt, right? Anytime you add sugar, you add salt. Here we go. It's about ready. This bowl is nice and cold. I know y'all like my clear bowl, don't you? I'll bring y'all over so you can see down in the bowl. See, right down in that bowl, right like that. We've got nice little peaks. See that peak right there? Didn't take but just a minute, did it? Now then, let's add us some powdered sugar. If I can get it out without making too big of a mess. But you know me, I probably will make a mess. But my glass bowl you all, that y'all can see real good in, I'm just putting about 3 tablespoons or so of powdered sugar in there. And a teaspoon of almond. Just going to mix that up right like that. All right, let's give it a taste and see if we can. I forgot the needs its little pinch of sugar. I mean, little pinch of salt. Now, let's give it a taste. Put just a dash more of this almond in there. There's not enough in there to even save. Put just a little bit more sugar. You don't want to mix it too much because you know what will happen. You will have butter. You will have butter, butter, butter. That's good. Okay, y'all. I'll need to go up a little bit. I'll get y'all situated. Okay, y'all. Here we are. Here's our little shell. You have to take the center out once they puff up to make them like a little boat. This is what we're going to do. We're just going to take some strawberries, just like this. Well, this won't hold but maybe 1 strawberry. Just like that. Let me get another spoon. We're going to take a dollop of this whipped cream, put it right there on the top. Then you have to lick this spoon. That is so yummy. Put that there to the side. Maybe put 1 more berry on the top. Doesn't that look delicious? So quick, so easy. And people will think you have slaved for days to make this. And you haven't. And I'm telling you, that's absolutely delicious. That sugar on the top of that pastry. Yum, yum, yum. So, you all remember, like, subscribe. Please subscribe. Share. Put them out there on YouTube. I put them out there on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram for me because you all, it's hard for me to get all this stuff where it needs to go. So I need y'all to help me do that. And subscribe. Please subscribe if you haven't already. If you have, I so appreciate that. And leave me some comments. And that'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.